Rock up. Unraveling the meaning of this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English expressions and idioms. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and somewhat informal phrase, rock up. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, particularly in Australian and British contexts. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound like a native, stay tuned. Rock up is a phrase that you might hear in casual conversation. But what does it actually mean? To rock up is to arrive or turn up somewhere, often without a clear appointment or at a random time. It implies a casual, sometimes unexpected arrival. For example, if someone says, "He just rocked up at the party without an invitation," it means that the person arrived at the party unexpectedly or without a formal invitation. The origins of rock up are a bit unclear, but it is thought to have originated in Australia. The term has a laid-back, informal connotation, reflecting perhaps the Australian attitude towards spontaneous plans and casual meetups. Over time, it has spread to other English-speaking countries, becoming part of everyday language, especially among younger speakers. Let's see how to use rock up in different sentences. This will help you understand the context and feel more comfortable using it in your conversations. 1. Unexpected arrival. I was surprised when Sarah rocked up at the cafe. We hadn't seen each other in years. 2. Casual plan. Are we still on for tonight? What time shall we rock up? 3. Last-minute decision. He just rocked up to the concert even though he didn't have a ticket. Notice how in each of these sentences, rock up suggests a casual or unplanned element to the arrival. It's also interesting to note the variations in similar phrases in English. Phrases like show up or turn up are often used in similar contexts, though they might lack the casual nuance of rock up. Additionally, in American English, you might hear roll up used in a similar, though slightly less casual way. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with the phrase, rock up, a fun and casual way to describe arriving somewhere. Remember, language is not just about strict rules. It's about expression, culture, and context. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to rock up to our channel for more English learning videos. Happy learning and see you next time.